Welcome to the Syntasa 9.1.0 update. This major release delivers significant advancements in enterprise security, AI-powered innovation, and team collaboration. All these enhancements are designed to streamline your data workflows across multi-cloud environments. Here is what's new. Within Notebook Workspace, the following improvements have been added. Notebook workspaces have been restructured to provide a simpler and more collaborative experience across teams. The release adds real-time collaboration support for notebooks, enabling multiple users to work together simultaneously within the same notebook. An integrated runtime toolbar for Jupyter Lab allows users to manage Spark Compute resources directly within their notebook interface. A more robust and portable way to manage notebook initialization scripts is now available. Unified SQL Magic is now supported in both Python and Scala kernels. Improved developer tools include Syntasa is a unified library for Python and Scala notebooks designed to streamline data engineering and data science workflows. A unified runtime script execution provides a more robust and reliable mechanism for executing custom runtime scripts across all supported platforms. A new process mode, Code Managed, is now available for Code, Notebook, and UDP processes. When selected, the platform bypasses standard table management logic, allowing the user's code to have full ownership over data reading, writing, and state management. Management and operational additions include a suite of powerful enhancements to the management console, providing administrators with greater control, improved security, and a more responsive operational experience. A unified credential store is now available for the secure management of secrets, API keys, and cloud credentials. In enterprise security and platform governance, a more robust and consistent role-based access control framework now spans the entire application and its individual modules. A major upgrade to the platform's security and collaboration model introduces enhanced sharing options. This feature moves beyond the traditional all-or-nothing approach, allowing users to precisely define how resources are shared across the organization. Data plane access control introduces a critical security enhancement that enforces least privilege access to cloud data. By leveraging AWS IAM session policies, the platform dynamically restricts Spark and Notebook sessions to only the specific S3 paths and Glue databases a user is authorized to access. The platform can now decouple the control plane from the data plane, allowing management services and data processing to reside in separate GCP projects. This architectural enhancement provides superior security isolation, billing separation, and compliance for enterprise environments. Service accounts introduce a powerful new identity management capability that allows teams to bring their own cloud credentials to the platform. This enhancement moves away from a single, broad system account, enabling more granular security and better isolation between different organizational groups. AI-powered assistance and diagnostics. The Syntasa AI Help Assistant is a sophisticated, multi-agent AI system designed to provide real-time contextual support across the platform. AI-powered log analysis is a specialized diagnostic tool designed to significantly reduce the time spent troubleshooting job failures. On the analytics front, a major upgrade to the integrated superset analytics engine moves the platform to version 6.0.0. Let's look at each of these innovations. We have restructured notebook workspaces into a unified flat model, making it easier than ever to organize and discover resources. Every user now receives an automatically provisioned personal workspace for private experimentation, alongside group workspaces for team projects. The headline feature is real-time collaboration. Multiple users can now work in the same notebook simultaneously with live cursors and instant output sharing in Jupyter Lab, transforming how teams debug and analyze data together. Developers can now manage Spark Compute resources directly within Jupyter Lab using our new runtime toolbar. With built-in metadata persistence, your runtime settings are automatically restored every time you open a notebook. Furthermore, notebook initialization scripts are now more portable than ever. By embedding environment configurations directly into IPYNB metadata, your custom setup logic travels with your work, supporting both Python and Scala kernels with a new direct editing interface. A unified SQL magic is now available in both Python and Scala kernels, allowing users to run Spark SQL directly inside notebooks without switching kernels or wrapping queries in boilerplate code. Introducing Syntutils, our unified library for Python and Scala. It provides a standardized API for data engineering, offering full IntelliSense support and simplified package management for PyPI and Java jars. Most importantly, it integrates directly with Syntasa's security framework to ensure code-level access remains compliant. We have revolutionized how custom runtime scripts are executed across Kubernetes, EMR, and Dataproc. By moving to a base 64 encoded environment variable approach, we've eliminated script corruption and simplified the architecture. Scripts now execute within the correctly activated Conda environments and are protected by error-resilient wrappers to prevent unnecessary job failures. The management console has been enhanced with granular deployment control, allowing administrators to restart specific pod groups or scale deployments manually. We've also automated SSL/TLS certificate management, allowing users to paste certificate files directly for automatic conversion and distribution. Syntasa 9.1 introduces a unified credential store for the secure, centralized management of secrets, API keys, and cloud credentials. Access is strictly governed by the platform's robust sharing model and unified role-based access control, allowing for secure collaboration across teams. Additionally, developers can leverage the Syntutils library for simplified credential management directly within their Python and Scala notebooks. Unified RBAC and enhanced sharing is a core pillar of this release. The unified RBAC framework now spans the entire application and every individual module. Role-based access control ensures that permissions for viewing, editing, or executing workflows are strictly enforced at both the UI and API levels. We have introduced enhanced sharing options that move beyond all or nothing access. Using our new unified sharing interface, you can now grant granular permissions like view, use, edit, or manage across apps, notebooks, data stores, and all other objects. To protect your intellectual property, you can even share user-defined processes, UDPs, with execute-only access, allowing colleagues to use your logic in an app without being able to view or edit the underlying code. For advanced users, we've added a code-managed mode, allowing your scripts to take full ownership of data reading and writing by bypassing standard table management. The interface is now more intuitive, featuring context-aware drop-downs and new information tooltips for every process in the palette. Editors of UDPs can even provide a custom description that appears as tooltips for their collaborators. Also, UDPs are now enhanced with a sharing option. Security is at the heart of 9.1.0. Our new data plane access control uses AWS IAM session policies to enforce least privilege access, dynamically restricting sessions to specific S3 paths based on user authorization. For GCP users, we now support cross-project deployments, allowing you to decouple your control plane from your data plane for superior billing and security isolation. We've also introduced service accounts, allowing teams to bring your own identity using group-specific AWS roles or GCP service accounts. This ensures strict data isolation between organizational groups while maintaining automated credential management. Meet your new intelligent companion, the Syntasa AI Help Assistant. Powered by a multi-agent orchestration layer, this assistant provides context-aware support through a persistent chat sidebar. It also features AI-powered log analysis, which scans complex execution logs to provide concise error summaries and actionable remediation suggestions that significantly reduce troubleshooting time for developers and take the right measures to fix the errors. Finally, we've upgraded our integrated analytics engine to Superset 6.0.0. This update brings a modernized visualization engine built on React 18, support for Python 3.11, and optimized performance for embedded dashboards within Syntasa applications. Syntasa 9.1.0 is built to empower your data teams with more speed, better security, and smarter tools. Thank you for choosing Syntasa.